freelancer, welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel. We believe that working full-thrive means that you get to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule. And when it comes to applying for jobs, whether it's through Upwork or another freelancer platform, there are some things that you may not know that are holding you back from getting the most amazing jobs. In this masterclass that I taught to my Full-Thrive students, I shared with them the #1 secret for applying for jobs. And I want to share that with you too, because I think this one change in your mindset will open up an incredible amount of opportunity on Upwork, and you might even see that platform just a little bit different than you did before. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss these tips I'm going to share with you now. I want you to apply for jobs that you may not feel qualified for. 100%. Again, if you cannot do the job, if you cannot build a Joomla website, then don't apply for that. Let's be silly. But if you're like, but I want to, I think I could do a really good job, I know how to get the information I need, apply for jobs that you may not feel qualified for. Apply for jobs you partially feel qualified for. One of the very first jobs I got was this long job posting for a sales rep and an admin person all in one, which we all know is ridiculous because, salespeople and admin people are two different types of people. I used my credits. I applied to the job. I said to the guy, I think you're kind of crazy. I think this is 2 jobs in one. I think you should split the job. And if you ever do, I would be very interested in the administrative assistant side. Within 3 minutes, guys, I got an email back saying, who are you? And yes, are you available? I got that job. It was my very first job, $50 an hour. I put a crazy number out there. I was a mom and Brooklyn was 3 and Caleb was 6 weeks old. No lie. And I worked for that guy for 4 years. You apply for jobs, you're partially qualified. Say, hey, look, I see you're looking for a unicorn. If you ever decided to split this part of it, here's why I'm qualified to do this part. Oh my gosh, you will stand out. Isn't that awesome? Again, talk about applying for part of the job. Also, remember I told you clients don't know what they need? They think they do. Apply for what they think they want. When you get on the discovery call, you can then help them understand all the things you do. Discovery calls are so critical. I don't even go into discovery calls on this masterclass, but if you guys want help on a discovery call, drop it in the comments because that may be our next one for next month. But basically, your only job, listen, your only job is to get to the discovery call. You're not trying to land the client when you're applying on Upwork. You just want to get to the next step, which is the discovery call. So basically, you're going to apply for the thing. People go to me like, oh, can you help me put words on a website? And I was like, oh my God, I do so much more than that. But yes, I can help you with copywriting. And they're like, great, let's get on a discovery call. And then I can explain all the things, okay? So I'm giving you permission. Stop being so dang picky about the jobs you apply for. All right? And let me say this. You may not be the best accountant or social media manager or blogger or copywriter. But if you are a really amazing person who responds quickly, is empathetic, who really cares for their clients, who shows up, who does amazing work, they are going to be so lucky they found you. That's what I want you to believe in yourself, that people are lucky. I know my clients are lucky they're working with me. And I know it sounds like, oh, you're so full of yourself. I am. Because I will make up for whatever I'm not really great at by delivering amazing service to them and going and figuring it out. So if you have that much confidence in yourself, you can do this, okay? So apply for things, get their attention, get in front of them. Sell them what they want. Then you can give them what they need. Hey guys, I hope you found that valuable. Are you looking for more information about freelancing? How to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule? We've got a ton of videos, and if you subscribe, you will always know when the next video drops. We also have a Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers. We have great discussions over there, Q&A, and masterclasses that you don't want to miss. So if you want to get into a community, check us out there.